I'm going to show you how to remove a saved password on your Google Chrome. We're going to log into my Wix account. And we're going to go to sign in. And you're going to notice that when I sign in, the password is already saved. So the only thing you have to do is right click, hit show all saved passwords. And I'm going to do the search. Just start typing Wix. You see it popped up. You click right here and hit remove. So we're going to exit out of this. And we're going to type it again, Wix. We're going to hit sign in. And you notice that the password has been removed.